After building 59 Auto Repair on a foundation of trust and community, Rich is passing the business on to his daughters, Marissa and Ashley. Together, they're carrying on the family legacy by training the next generation of technicians while continuing to put people first.
Started 59 Auto Repair because I had another business, was looking at building something closer to home. Hoped to build something that people in the area would respect. We live in the community and wanted to have a good business. Over the years, Marissa and Ashley have been working towards taking over the business as I plan to retire in the next couple of years. They've been doing a great job. Slowly, myself and my wife have been passing on our duties to them, and they've taken them over, basically running the shop by themselves now. I kind of just work in the back and enjoying my time as I'm nearing retirement.
Growing up around 59 Auto Repair, I started working at 14. I've definitely grown a lot professionally since then, got to watch a lot as the industry has changed over the years, became more technologically advanced, and then as we've grown as a company as well to become what we are today.
I started working here just out of college as a part-time job, and I've just been here ever since, and I've loved working here and am excited to take over the family business. It's been very intentional for this business to be honest with customers. Our parents from a very young age installed those values into us, and we've just kind of grew up, and it's very important for us to be honest with our customers and our employees.
For the team at 59 Auto Repair, the future of the industry starts with education. Through mentorship, hands-on training, and a commitment to developing people, they're preparing the next generation to succeed.
Well, here at 59 Auto Repair, they do more technical support, more technical training, more involvement with the customer support, whereas in other shops it was just customer in, customer out.
Developing people has always been important to us. As I grew up in this industry, I've been very blessed to work with some great people. They've taught me a lot as far as my mechanical skills and the ability to run my business in an efficient manner. I believe it's my responsibility to give that back to my employees.
The apprenticeship program is a very important part of our business.
It's a great program for the guys to go and learn and grow and be able to stay ahead of the times and keep up with all the changing technology in vehicles.
Having a master technician work one-on-one with that person to really develop the skill and the talent that they need to succeed in this industry.
Well, mentorship is important here at 59 Auto because the younger generation needs to be trained, needs to be shown how things are done, needs the education that we're trying to provide for them with someone who can take their hand along the way and show them how to do things.
When we're looking for a new technician or service advisor, the one thing that we look for, first of all, is personality. We can teach them how to do the job. It's hard to teach somebody a good personality.
They need passion where they want to work with the cars. A lot of people think that they like cars until they actually start working on them. It's definitely a very hands-on job where you learn a lot on the go.
For apprentices like Nico, every day brings a new lesson. With experienced mentors by their side, they're gaining skills, confidence, and the experience needed to build a career in the automotive industry.
Nico is an up-and-coming technician who is learning a lot. He takes to education very well, he listens very well, he does what you say, and he'll be a good asset here at 59 Auto.
I wanted to learn a skill where I could help people. It's important to help people with their cars because that could be a nurse getting to the hospital to help their patient.
The hardest thing about teaching the younger technicians is self-confidence. They know how to do things, but they have a little bit of hesitation attempting to do things. Education today is very important because things are changing so rapidly in the vehicles, and the younger technicians need to stay up on that.
I could give any advice to a new technician starting out. I would basically tell them to take as many classes as they can. NAPA has a bunch of great training programs online and also in person. They should do every one they can. Also, if they have technicians in the shop that are willing to teach them, they should listen to them and try to learn from them. There's nothing better than hands-on knowledge.
Working with Mike has been a great experience. He's been pretty much a tutor to me, helping me move forward in my automotive career.
As one generation steps aside, another is ready to lead. Guided by the same commitment to people, quality, and community, the future of 59 Auto Repair is already in capable hands.
Well, with Rich retiring, I have no problem that Marissa and Ashley are going to be able to take over the business successfully.
As Ashley and Marissa are taking over the business, I hope the one thing that never changes is how they treat their employees and the customers.
So I hope the Brower Family Legacy becomes a generational shop where, this shop will be open for the next 50 to 100 years. So just, being able to keep it in the family, pass it down.
What makes me proud here to work at 59 Auto is just the level of accomplishment. We get a lot of jobs that other shops send here that they can't fix. A lot of cars from dealerships come here that they can't fix.
Personally, success to me would be just being happy, healthy, being able to run this business with my sister.
Know our customers well. We treat them like family. I'd like to see that continue.
Over the years, we've kind of developed a family relationship with all of our employees. Our customers have become great friends. I hope they never lose that.